up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley. Welcome back to Kevin TV, your positive culture channel. Today we're having a little park and chill held by Premier KDM. I'm gonna put their Instagram down below. Cool little place out here in Tustin. I've been here for a while. Actually, I went to South OC Cars and Coffee, and I filmed the United Velocitors content that you guys saw, dude. That right there. I'm gonna put the thumbnail right there so you can see it. Check that video out if you haven't seen it. It's the same day. I'm still filming from earlier today. That meet was a couple hours ago, and came down to Tustin after I left there. I was hanging out with the United Velocitors fam, and I'm down here for another awesome vlog for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it and get started. All right, so the cool thing is we had this little area roped off. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen. I came here, had myself something to eat at a delicious calzone from this pizza place in the area. Here's all the cars that are here, but I'm gonna start off by the street legends that actually had to park on the outside because, you know, we ran out of spots or whatever for this little area. So yeah, of course we got Michelle right here. Lambo door's not up today, but you know, there's a whip. And then another one of the homies that was with us earlier today for the South OC Cars and Coffee that we had taken over. KDM's taking over. Check that video out. And then we have another friend of the channel, awesome young lady right here, one of my friends on Instagram, always checking out her story and see what's going on. But yeah, check out her people right here, street legends. They always representing with the Stinger, so give them a follow, especially if you own a Stinger, you want to come hang out with them, or you want to be part of what they're doing, hit them up, you know. Then let's go on down the line. Yes, sir. Looking nice, man. Love them Stingers. And then another one of the homies right here, good friend of mine. Make sure you give him a follow. Got to say what's up to him. He was chilling with us earlier also at South OC Cars and Coffee. And then here's something a little different. This yellow Stinger, a different color. I haven't seen too many of these, man, but I like it. He did something with looks like a carbon fiber wrap. It's not only a part of the hood, but it's actually part of the front end. And then you follow the lines, looking nice up top, flows all the way through the back, and then tapers off right here instead of going all the way down. I like it, dude. But there you go. SoCal Stingers, yes sir. And then of course, Super Dad is parked over here. And then we're gonna walk up in here and then see who's here. We got Dominique, she's here, she just pulled up. And then we got this talented gentleman right here. He's about to get some fire, I already know. He's new vlogging, man. This dude, he's vlogging, man. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. If I didn't say it in the last video, I know I shot the South OC Cars and Coffee, and I didn't say this to you guys. You guys need to subscribe to this man's channel, dude. I convinced him to get into vlogging. He wasn't too sure about it. Vlog inception. This dude's equipment is like on another level, dude. He's inspiring me to invest more in myself financially when it comes to equipment. You gotta up the game, but I love it. His gimbal's like, look how big his gimbal is.
It's just the upgraded version of yours.
Yeah.
It's like one right after yours.
Yeah, dude. This fool got a joystick. What is this, a freaking...
Yeah, it's pretty much a Nintendo 64.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was gonna say, dude. Love it, bro. Love it, dude.
Yeah.
So check out his content.
This guy got me into it. He kept telling me I should vlog. I have the personality for it, so here I am doing it, trying.
Yeah, man.
We would cover the same things. Most of the time, we're probably covering each other at the same events.
Yeah, no, that's cool. I'm gonna watch his vlog. I know he's gonna watch mine. So there's vlog part 2 on his channel for this event. So there you go. But yeah, we're gonna check out who showed up and who came through. Ooh-wee. So we got the Optima boys, K5s in the house. Speaking of K5s, actually, we'll be, as of today, tomorrow, I will be filming. Ooh, we got some Jenny boys coming in. I got distracted because my boy Dynaco brought the crew and there's no parking left for Dynaco and his boys. Got Dynaco. We're all out of parking spaces, but probably somewhere around here or something. Jenny boys, that's what's up. Looking good, looking good. But anybody that knows me knows that I get distracted whenever I'm vlogging. I'm like trying to capture cars, and then I see other cars and I'm like, squirrel. Yeah. But yeah, check them out. But yeah, like I was saying, okay, so the Optima. The new name for the Optima is the K5. If you guys don't know, you seen the K5? That's the new Optima, because in overseas, in Korea, they don't call it an Optima, they call it a K5. So, you guys wondering about the name change? It's not a name change. They're basically using the Korean name for the Optima. So, I will be filming. A friend of mine recently got a K5. I'll be filming a little tour of that car, giving you guys a little look at it. And I will be doing also the same thing with a G70 or whatever. But yeah, back to the Stinger. I just came up with an idea, and another one of my friends, all my friends are getting new cars. So another one of my friends just recently got a Stinger, and his homie, my homie, got the G70. So what do you guys think about a YouTube video, G70 versus the Kia Stinger? We go head to head, both 3.3 liter turbos, same engine, different car. We'll see what the differences are and see who comes out on top with a friendly competition. All right, cool. Here's the president of United Velocitors. Make sure you give her a follow. And then oh, wait a minute, let me go back, let me double back. Let me shout out to Concept 3, man. You guys did not see it, I did a shop tour of Concept 3. The homie, man, they showed me so much love when I went down there or whatever. So shout out to homies at Concept 3. Give them a follow, check them out. You want to get some work done in your car, especially bag work, KDM work. Even if you don't have a KDM, check out Concept 3. Call them, get a quote on whatever work you need to get done. They'll hook you up and give you a bomb deal. So, let's move on down the line. As Dynaco, I guess, is what he's going to do, make a really tight U-turn. So, yeah. They're interrupting my vlog, so I'll have to wait. But yeah, so check it out. They're still trying to make a turn. Clear. There we go. And oh, I like this combo, the black with the red wheels. Jesus. Don't make too much noise. But yeah, so here we go. Black with the red wheels. I love the color combo. Makes the red pop having the black car. Jeez, man, those wheels are really red. I love it. I love it. And then this little corner right here with the bellows. I like what they did. They set it up. Oh, you hear that? I missed the air out. I missed the air out. This guy is parked dead in the middle of all of us, dude. Just because he's Dynaco, he has to floss on everybody. So it's over there flexing, not flossing, flexing. But yeah, so we got the bellows in the corner over here. Little 1, 2, 3 punch right here. Got the homie Juan, which is he's playing the parking attendant right here, assisting Dynaco in parking his car correctly. So then we go over here. Everybody's chilling in the shade. We got the gazebos up, man. Got to play it smart. Got to stay hydrated. And then been chilling with these guys just all day. Ricardo trying to wipe down his car a little bit so it's not so dirty. And then the homie right here, been chilling, talking with him all day. Give him a follow. Make sure you give the rest of the homies a follow. Bam. And then, yep, give everybody some love. Dynaco getting his little trick or treat setup he's running, or trunk or treat setup. I gotta get my car ready. I'm gonna be participating in the show later on this month for the 31st. I'm gonna put the flyer in the corner for you guys. Figuring out a setup for the car. You guys pretty much know it's gonna involve bats in a lot of them. So yeah.
I mean, one of the easiest things to do is behind my seats. That's all spider webbed right there. So that's if you never have people in your rear seat, it's great.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I think I'm gonna do that because I don't really have nothing in my rear seats either. So I just keep like jackets and stuff like that and camera equipment in the back seats. I don't really use them. Like, oh yeah, he's all spider webbed out right there in the back if you guys can see it. You guys make sure you give him a follow. check out this car in person, because this video does not do it justice. This thing is ridiculous, man. You definitely have to check out this car in person. So check him out on the many little events that he's always attending.
What's special about that car?
Oh, dang. Sounds like someone's jealous. No, I'm joking.
Just a little bit.
Oh, Lambo doors versus Lambo doors, or what?
No, he's got something else that I want.
Like more power?
That too. That too.
That's it. That's it.
You asked.
I'm gonna stop, Juan. I don't want to roast you on the video, bro. But it's all good, man. We love your car too, Juan. It's all good. It's all love, man. We just messing around, but yeah. Check out the other Stinger homies right here. The carbon fiber looking so delicious. Yep. Another one of the homies right here. Actually, I spotted a car on the freeway and I thought it was his, but it didn't have the carbon fiber on it. So I was like, oh, that's not the homie. But it was a similar color. It was red with black wheels, and it was this same color right here. But yeah, I got some good footage of this guy's car from a couple meets ago, KDM driven or something like that, and ended up chatting with each other on Instagram, whatever. Cool guy. So check this out. Everybody's welcome. Got a it's not a KDM, but it's still beautiful, man. We still give you love. You know what I mean? Yeah. Street Legends. There you go. There you go. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Small meet for you guys. Make sure you give them a follow so you can join us in one of these awesome events, dude. Always cool. Park and chill. Grub and chill, whatever you want to call it. If you're hungry, there's always places to eat whenever we go to these little spots or whatever. So yeah, a little short video for you guys, but always good times with the homies, man. Follow the Instagrams I put in the video. You know what to do. So yep. So we got some other cars off to the side. There was no parking in our little lot. I had a little roped off, like I said, and show some of the other homies some love or whatever. So check them out real quick. You know what I mean? Repping Street Legends and Concept 3. I love it. Black is beautiful. You know, always approved with me. Yes, sir. Let's see. Get that Instagram for y'all. There you go. Follow the Instagram. You know what to do. Some carbon fiber touches. Yes, sir. And then this Q right here. Ooh, everything looking good. Street Legends. That Q is looking real good. I like that. That tint. Nice. Got that mirror tint. I was talking to a friend of mine earlier. She was talking about she wanted to possibly get that mirror tint, whatever. So I'll probably cut that clip and send it to you. So there you go, girl. There's the mirror tint you was talking about, and that's how it looks on that car. Wonder how it's gonna look in yours. Yeah, so check it out. And then more Street Legends. Coming with the 86, gotta love it. And Genesis Coupe over here. A couple Jennies. Saw them when they was rolling up. But yeah, they all get love, you know what it is. And then yeah, almost missed these over here, man. God dang, look at this. Woo-wee. Crazy color combination with the red, purple striping accents. The red and the purple, I like it. It's different. You don't see this color combination anywhere else, so very unique. I'm loving it. Yes, sir. And then more Stingers, a lot of Stingers. So yeah, y'all look forward to the some of this G70 versus Stinger content I'm gonna put out for you, because I already know the boys is gonna want to go at it. They're gonna have some fun with this video, so I'm gonna hit them up about that, and we'll have a little meeting about it, talk about it. So how you like it, man? This fool rolled up and started taking his car apart. Look at this dude. He's at the meet and he's like, man, I'm about to put this in, man. I can't wait till later, right? You couldn't wait till you get home. You were like, all right, man, I'm about to hook this up.
Makes it faster, bro.
Yeah, that's what's up, dude. I love it.
Thank you.
Nice, man. Fresh install done at a car meet. That's how we do it, you know what I mean? That's what's up.
All right, so I got all the bolt-ons done already. Just got my intakes in. I got downpipes, exhaust piping, my intercooler, and then I have a meth injection kit ready to be installed at home. Gonna be running dual meth right here.
Ooh.
The intercooler.
Nice.
Gonna be getting tuned by Will Hatzer through JB4. Hoping to hit some records on some radials.
Oh, nice.
Instagram's Get Stung.
All right, man.
SoCal's quickest.
I'm gonna put it down below, man. You heard what he just said. SoCal's quickest. He's trying to push for it. We're gonna give him love, right? We're gonna follow this man. I'm gonna follow the build too, because I want to see what it do. You know what I mean?
At least for now. At least until Nick gets on.
Oh yeah, you already know. Cartooners, follow Nick.
Yeah.
You know, I already told y'all
Crazy, man. They're
they got a
crazy.
lot of crazy stuff. He's talking to my man BK 2 Minutes over there. He's talking about his build and what they doing, and man, they doing some wild stuff right now. So give them a follow. All right, so before we wrap up this video, gotta show love to Green Leaves Boba Tea Cafe. Pretty awesome. This is where the meat spot was actually located. They're the reason why we were able to reserve some parking for our area, and we received 15% off of our purchases when we were here. So I had me a delicious, refreshing 4 Seasons. Already killed most of it. Delicious, has fruit all in there. Very refreshing, delicious tea. Check them out, and that's it. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. A little short one for you guys, but always fun times, dude. Like I said, I'm always inviting you guys to these car events, man, trying to grow the KDM community, showing you how tight and cohesive and how much love we give each other and everything like that. Doesn't matter if you have a Veloster, doesn't matter if you have a Stinger, the Optima, you know, and the Genesis Coupe. Doesn't matter, dude. We all show each other love, and we just come out here and we chill, chat about cars, and you know, get something to eat, some little bit of grub, fill our tummies and everything like that, dude. But make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. I'm always showing love to all my KDM people, and I expect you guys to do the same. As this guy rolls in all late, there's no parking left for him, but yeah, there's that guy. He'll just park over to the side. But yeah, man, make sure you give him a follow. BK 2 Minutes. You guys already know that's my boy, man. We got some special plans for his Genesis Coupe. You guys that don't know, follow his Instagram, because Motor Swap 3.3 liter turbo from the Kia Stinger in a Genesis Coupe. What? That's right, I said it, dude. But you guys are gonna have to give him a follow to get more information, dude, and follow Car Tuners, because the cat's out the bag. Car Tuners let the cat out the bag. We were trying to keep it secret, but that's the plans for his car. So y'all follow Car Tuners, follow BK 2 Minutes, and of course follow your boy. And that's gonna be it. Just remember, as I say at the end of all of my videos, I always see the glass is half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kev already QTV. Peace.